Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about for each loop container in SSRS. For each loop container defines a repeating control flow in a package. For each loop container repeats the control flow for each member of a specified enumerator. In my real job, my boss asks me to update the paycheck list. All the employees who had worked for more than 1 year would be raising 10% salary. Let's find out who worked more than 1 year. Let me do the update in SSRS. Firstly, we create a new project, update salary. Then connect to our database. We drag in an execute SQL task. Double-click it. Named is FindID. Result set is full result set. Connect to our database and write a SQL statement here. Click result set. Result name is 0. Variable name. Rising ID. Variable type object. Click OK. Moving a for each loop container in. Combine it with execute SQL task. Click container. Collection choose for each ADO enumerator. For each ADO enumerator to enumerate rows in tables. ADO object source variable is user rising ID. Enumeration model choose rows in the first table. Variable mappings. Variable as user rising ID. Index is 0. Drag a new execute SQL task into the container. Click the new task. Named is update salary. Result set is none. Connect to our database and write the SQL statement here. Parameter mapping. Variable name. User rising ID. Date type long. Parameter name 0. Finally, let's execute this package. It's successful. We check the new paycheck list in our database. All employees who matched the condition had been updated. Perfect job. Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.